In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Auto Dark Mode program on your Windows computer. So Auto Dark Mode is an app that helps you to automatically kick in sunset and also turn off at sunrise automatically on your Windows computer. To get this program, go ahead and open any browser and then just go ahead and search for Auto Dark Mode. And if I click on enter, you can see we have Auto Dark Mode here. This is a Windows Microsoft program. So if you click on it, you will be taken to this Microsoft page where you can download it. If you click on this, it will go ahead and download the program, and as you can see, the program has been downloaded here. And to install it, double click on it on this installer and you'll be taken to Microsoft Store to complete the installation. Alternatively, if you just go directly to Microsoft Store and search for this app, you can also download it and install it directly from. Once this has been installed, you can proceed and open it directly from here. Or if you go to your Windows computer, look for its shortcut. However, if you can't see the shortcut, then go to the start menu here and you should see under recently added apps, it is here. Go ahead and click on it to launch it. You can decide to turn on this automatic switch button or option here. So that's how you can install Auto Dark Mode on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.